Okay, friends, welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb. Today we're going to do a sheet pan meal. We're just going to throw stuff in there and we're going to pop it in the oven, and this is going to be easy. So I am going to be using my trusty chopper again. I don't know what I would do without it. I cut up like 1, 2, 3, 4 potatoes. Reason why I'm using this, because I want everything to be like same size, okay? So that way everything will cook evenly, get done same time. But that's okay if you don't have this. You know what you do? You make it make. You get out a knife and you chop it, okay? Yes, I put my carrots in too. Okay, I'm going to take a peek in there. I'm going to throw some more carrots. After this, we're going to season up some chicken thighs, because chicken thighs are nice and juicy. I just love the way it just cuts so easily. Oops, got to get it in there. Okay, let me see. Is that all I want? Okay, that'll work. 2 onions, cut in half, throw them in, throw it in. A little bit of salt. Not too much. That's my oven, because this is going in the oven. Don't forget your pepper. You know, put whatever seasonings that you like. And I cannot live without my onion powder. And why not throw some garlic powder in there too? Alright, another thing we want to do, spray it down. This is just so easy. Get your hands dirty. Well, not dirty. Get your hands seasoned. After you clean off your seasoned hands, then you're going to season your chicken thighs. Okay, I just put salt and pepper on mine. And then I'm going to put some Italian dressing. Just squirt however much you like. And this is really versatile, okay? Use what's in your, use what's in that refrigerator drawer. You know, I've got to tell you, I've used mayonnaise before and then seasoned it. Oh my God, delicious. We'll have to do that again one day. Okay, then we're going to make sure that both sides got that Italian dressing on it. Okay, there we go. Then we're going to take our pieces. We're going to take our pieces and just lay them in there. Just make room. Make room wherever you need to make room. Scooch those veggies over. Okay. Yeah, just like that. Perfect. Wash your hands. Okay, that looks amazing. And it ain't even in the oven yet, and it smells good. So definitely something you have to try. Okay, so now we're gonna pop it in the oven for 45 minutes to an hour at the most. Okay, and I just took it out of the oven. Just gonna scoop up some onions, carrots, potatoes. Let me see. I probably should get some more potatoes. I have a habit of touching hot pans. Okay, so here we go, but just a second. I mean, we put Italian seasoning in it. Why not put Parm on it? You can put it wherever you want. I just love this stuff. I don't have the real stuff, but I don't know. Sometimes I call things fake and real. Okay. So. Oh, that is nice and tender and juicy and hot. Mmm. This is really, really good. The chicken is really moist and flavorful. Mmm. You know, this tastes really good on there. I probably shouldn't put more, but there I went. Okay, friends, this was very budget friendly. And some of the times we normally have these like onions, carrots, and potatoes on hand in our kitchens most of the time. Okay, friends. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more budget-friendly videos, please subscribe. But always keep cooking, my friends, and I love you all.